Each other. You and I, we are unstoppable together, mahal. And lastly, to Guillermo Box Office Entertainment Awards. Maraming salamat po sa parangal na ito. This moment, we will truly cherish forever. World, here is to conquering the whole world with love, support, and growth. Driven by love and for love.
Popular love team for television, Ruru Madrid and Bianca Umar.
Presenting the trophy for the Nation Escobar Mendoza and Junior Golden Market.
Sa inyo. First of all, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Guillermo Mendoza Box Office Entertainment Awards para sa parangal na ito. Ang parangaluin na ito ay special po sa aming dalawa dahil ito po ang aming kauna-unahang award na natanggap na magkasama. Kung kaya't nagpapasalamat po kami sa lahat po ng mga tao na nasa likod po ng aming programang ginawa, which is The Right One. Maraming salamat po, of course, to GMA Network, to our management team, Sparkle, to GMA Public Affairs, and of course, to View Philippines for making this happen. At sa ngayon po, hindi man po kami magkasama sa mga proyektong ginagawa po namin. She's currently doing Encantada Chronicles Sangre, at ginagawa ko naman po ang Black Rider. Pero hindi man po kami magkasama, alam po namin na ang suporta at pagmamahal namin sa isa't isa ang magsisibing lakas at inspirasyon po namin para lalo po namin pagputiin ang aming mga ginagawa.
We stand here today not as individuals, but as a team. This award is a true testament to the true power of partnership, love, and unwavering support. Together we have faced challenges, celebrated victories, and have grown stronger in each passing day. First and foremost, maraming salamat po to our Lord God, Ama. Thank you so much for another blessing para po sa inyo ito. Of course, our sincerest thank yous to GMA Network, to Sparkle, to GMA News and Public Affairs, to View Philippines, to our fans, and of course to our loved ones who have stood by us in every step of the way. Your continuous support, encouragement, and belief in us has always been our greatest source of strength. Of course, we would also like to acknowledge all of the other incredible couples out there who inspire us through their love and dedication. This award is not just for the both of us, but for all of you who continue to show the world the true meaning of partnership. We would also like to thank each other. You and I, we are unstoppable together, mahal. And lastly, to Guillermo Box Office Entertainment Awards. Maraming salamat po sa parangal na ito. This moment, we will truly cherish forever. World, here is to conquering the whole world with love, support, and growth, driven by love and for love.
Love you, Oseng.
Love you, Oseng.
Yung Oseng. Ayun, gusto mo?
Oseng nga, yun yung gusto mo, Oseng.
Ibalik ang tea.
Binigyan ng ticket dyan. Ano?